Hey everyone! Do you find the microphone icon on your iPhone's keyboard annoying? Or are you accidentally activating voice dictation when typing? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to turn off voice dictation on your iPhone. It's quick, easy, and you'll have it disabled in no time. Let's jump in. Step 1. First, grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen. It's the little gear icon, as you can see here. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Next, look for Keyboard and tap on it. Step 3. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see an option called Enable Dictation. If the toggle is green, that means it's turned on. All you have to do is tap the toggle to turn it off. A pop-up message will appear asking if you're sure. Tap Turn Off Dictation, and you're done. Step 4. Let's test it out. Open any app with a keyboard, like Messages or Notes, and check if the microphone icon is gone from the keyboard. See? No more microphone button to accidentally press. Now I give a bonus tip. If you ever want to turn dictation back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back to green. It's as simple as that, and that's it. Turning off voice dictation on your iPhone is super easy and only takes a few steps. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Got any questions or need help with another iPhone feature? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.